finally got the wheels. Keandre. What the? Oh my word, bro. I was just waiting. We even got them with bolts. For the 46. That's the Garden State. It's been a minute, guys. Like, you guys don't understand how many days, well, probably over a week now, it's been sitting like this. So we finally got the wheels, and now I'm just gonna go fit them on with the tires and then come back and test fit them on the car. Let's go mount the wheels. Well, mount the tires on the wheels. Ow, my damn eye! Guys, so we're finally back and we finally got the wheels. I'm sure most of you guessed it already, but yes guys, these are the new wheels. Whew. Finally got them wheels on, got the tires on, got them balanced and everything. Now it's time to throw them back onto the car. So yes, we got BBS, LMs, N19s. These are narrow and wides. So these are the new wheels, guys. Do you guys think I made a good decision compared to the old wheels? I think they're gonna look so sick. I still need to put the center cap emblems on, but that will do after we install them. Guys, we are finally done with the wheels. They look so sick, honestly. Let me know what you guys think down below. That's how it looks from the side. Last thing left for me to do is just to put the wheel caps on, or the emblems, stick them on, and then she's all done, boys. Sheesh. Now we're done. Let's go meet up with the boys, get the reaction, and see you guys there.
Later.
Yes guys, so now this is the end result on the 46, and we finally got the boys to come and see.
Yes, it was.
You happy? It was worth the wait now?
Yeah.
Even though you're all angry with me.
Very angry.
But yo, I'm so tired. I don't.
Is it all the way down or what?
No, not even.
Oh.
I could still go lower though, but yeah.
Boy.
Why guys? You really think it looks nice?
Yeah.
What? What?
God damn. God damn, felt it in my. God damn.
It even scares the
Just.
Oh, yeah. So this guy's crazy.
I just saying.
I'm happy for you.
I don't
Fuck
know.
the wheels.
Look at it.
No, fuck the wheels. Oh, yes, my boys.
Amber. That's Jose.
Huh?
Amber boy.
Heavy, nah?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice to see both of them out also. The babies.
Just looks so good.
Say hello to Mr.
It just
Nail.
looks so good. My
The
boy.
big boy.
My boy. You killed it, boy. You killed it, boy. Take
Thanks,
what's
my
yours.
G. Thanks,
Take what's
my
yours.
G.
Take what's yours, my boy.
All love, boss.
Yes. The blue on silver.
It looks dope, nah?
Fine. Jose.
Baller. God damn, boy.
Take time down and come back. That is mad. Mad business.